Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn off Instagram age restriction. So if you guys would like to go ahead and turn off the age restriction of a specific Instagram account, in order for us to turn this off, all we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application and then choose a specific Instagram account that is currently a creator or a business account. Now this is the main thing that you should be making sure of before starting. And once we're there and once we have that business or creator account already, all we need to do first is to tap on the profile icons or our profiles and then tap on this three dots icon on the top or three lines icon. And then that's going to take us to our settings and activity. And once we're there, I want you to go on over to your business settings. And if you do not have that just yet, of course, making sure that you have a business account should show you that. And also you will have the option to click on your minimum age settings through your business settings. Now, under default or by country, I'd like you to go ahead and tap on remove the ones you have an age under. And that's essentially it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.